In this video, I'm going to show you how to free up space without deleting apps on your Android phone, okay? Let's get started. If you're a subscriber in this channel, you know very well that we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content our viewer is looking for, okay? Let's get started. Okay, click on File Manager. Make sure you follow every step here so you don't make any mistake, okay? Then tap on Browse. Then you want to scroll down depending on your phone. Some phones you'll just have to scroll down here to see whatever we are looking for. But now in this Infinix phone, just click on Manage, then scroll down, then tap on Junk Files. Here, you'll be able to see all the junk files in your phone that can be deleted to free up space, okay? Now, allow it to scan so that you can see the total space that has been consumed by junk files. For instance, you can see now I have a total of 1.69 GB consumed by junk files. We can clean this space so that this space can be restored for other important files and applications in my Android phone, okay? Just tap on clean, allow it to clean it. Voila, the junk files have been removed. By doing that, I've been able to free up 1.6 GB of storage space. Thank you guys for watching. If you found value in this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Goodbye.